I wasn't videotaping that.
Really?
Hey guys, Joy here again with another video, and yeah,
That was 5 minutes long.
we're making cupcakes. My phone is refusing to focus, so yeah. Sorry, I wasn't videotaping, but earlier they sprayed
This is fun.
this. What is that? Canola oil. They sprayed that everywhere, like on the phones down there. Everywhere. Her phone's still wet. Guys, what is this series? The Grace. No. The Grace. Hey, Maddie. Show. Twice.
First you gotta mix it all together.
So there's big ones there.
Because Joy decided to film too.
I decided to film really late.
Oh, y'all are watching.
No, don't put your finger in there. You just want some crawfish.
Yeah, wash your hands like a normal civilized human.
I did.
Look, me and Miss Kincaid got in a fight. She was like, I yelled at her. I was
Speak
like,
a little louder.
I yelled at her, and she was like, how dare you yell at me? And I was like, I'm not yelling. I'm talking in a modern civilized conversation. And she was like, I'm sorry. You don't understand
Go away.
that.
Go away. Go away. Bruh, something's happening. I don't know what's happening. Go.
We only have one viewer.
Hey.
Okay,
I
guys.
have 9.
I think I'm gonna end this here because
People are losers if they don't
yeah.
watch this because we are doing the most.
I think I'm
famous
gonna end this here. So
episode in the
if you
world.
did enjoy,
You know we
please
go
leave
on
a
TV,
like
right?
down below. And
Not even
bye.